The Wolf Convection Steam Oven, by using heat, steam, or combining the two, allows you to do absolutely anything. Baking something light and fluffy, slow roasting something crisp and tender, even rejuvenating last night's leftovers. Whatever dish you've been dreaming about, the steam oven will be able to do it. We know you're eager to get started, so here's a quick start guide to your Wolf Convection Steam Oven. First, a few housekeeping chores before you use your oven for the first time. You may need to adjust the water hardness setting on your convection steam oven. You can use the test strip provided to determine the hardness level of your water at home. Now you'll want to clean the interior cooking space and accessories with warm soapy water and a soft cloth. Next, we're going to fill the water tank. Press the water button, then remove and fill the tank with cold tap water. Never fill the tank with demineralized, filtered, or distilled water. Close the lid and push the water tank into the compartment and make sure it's firmly seated. Finally, take out the baking pans and heat the empty oven using auto steam bake mode for 30 minutes at 410 degrees. You'll find the auto steam bake mode under More. Looking at your oven, you'll see there's 4 ways to begin: Quick Start, Gourmet, More, and Favorites. We'll give you a brief overview of what you can do with each of these. Quick Start is where you can access the 5 cooking modes you'll probably use the most. Let's start with steam. You can get a good idea of how to use it by thinking of the 3 different temperature tiers. Steaming at a high temperature of 210 degrees is like a pot of boiling water on your stove. This is great for steaming vegetables, cooking hard-boiled eggs, or getting shrimp ready for your cocktail. Steaming at a mid-temperature of 190 degrees is ideal for soft poaching delicate fillets of fish or even fruits like pears. Steaming at a low temperature of 90 degrees defrosts frozen food without drying them out. Now choose convection mode. Dry heat is circulated by convection fans to cook poultry, vegetables, potatoes, really just about anything, about 25% faster and juicier than a conventional oven. The reheat mode. This is a mixture of steam and dry heat that brings your leftovers back to a moist, succulent life. The convection steam mode circulates convection heat to make the outside crispy and uses steam to keep the inside tender and juicy. This is ideal for roasts, casseroles, mac and cheese, and much more. Convection humid produces no steam, but locks in the natural moisture in food for tastier lasagna, quick breads, and more. Choose More and you'll find additional cooking and specialty modes. Think of Auto Steam Bake as the French bakery mode, where you can make bread, baguettes, croissants, and more with that perfect, crackly, shiny crust. Slow Roast is where you can prepare beef, pork, lamb, and veal to perfect edge-to-edge doneness with very tender results. Auto Reheat is similar to Reheat, but it has built-in sensing that makes sure your leftovers get just the right combination of steam and dry heat. Recipes let you pre-program the oven for mom's casserole or even a multi-step barbecue rib recipe, anything that you've done before, and you can set the mode, time, temperature, so it will cook automatically. More Gourmet gives you a fully automated, one-touch way to cook 13 different categories of fresh or frozen foods. With Spa Mode, you can heat up towels or even stones for a relaxing massage. Sanitize lets you sanitize baby bottles and pacifiers, or jars and lids for preserving jams and jellies. The Keep Warm mode uses convection heat between 160 and 190 degrees to keep food warm until it's time to serve. Gourmet mode. You'll love the Gourmet mode because it helps you prepare your favorite foods like vegetables, poultry, or even prepare yogurt with just a few touches to the screen. It's very simple. It's also a tool that helps you become a better cook because you can access tips on rack selection, pan selection, or even suggestions on time and temperature. Here are a couple examples. If you wanted to cook asparagus, you could just touch Gourmet, select vegetables, asparagus, and that's it. To cook a whole chicken, you would touch Gourmet, select poultry, whole chicken, and that's it. Favorites mode. You won't use favorites right away, but in time it may be quite useful for you. It allows you to create shortcuts to your favorite dishes. There are 13 kinds of food to choose from, all offering the same convenience and delicious results. We hope we've given you a good idea of the capabilities of the Wolf Convection Steam Oven. Now you can enjoy your favorite dishes faster, easier, and with better results. For a more in-depth guide to cooking in your Wolf Convection Steam Oven, refer to your techniques and recipe book that you received when you bought your Wolf Convection Steam Oven. Good luck and happy cooking!